जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं
Paramahamsa Nityananda is a rare living incarnation, a yogi by birth. He has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English, books in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese, with translations in 26 languages are available. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 8,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services, ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world offer exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. Having meditation centers in 151 countries including Bidadi, Tiruvannamalai, Rajapalyam, Salem, Hyderabad, Varanasi, Los Angeles, Ohio, Seattle, San Jose and Phoenix. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation. A contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers. Adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, he has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands, gracing them with spiritual powers. A spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples worldwide in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places like Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Tiruvannamalai in India. A dynamic young guru who is an inspiration to thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online. A beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं वन्दे शान्तमयं बन्धं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दगन्धसञ्चारं सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्तं वन्दे ज्ञानालयं नाथं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्
सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. In the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, 4th verse, Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Atra Sura Mageshvasa Bhimarjuna Samayudihi Yuyudano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharataha. Here Duryodhana is describing the courage, valor, glory of the other side army. Here in this army, there are many heroes wielding mighty bows and equal in military prowess to to Bhima and Arjuna, Yuyudhana, Virada, and the great chariot warrior Drupada. Duryodhana now points out all the great warriors fighting for Pandavas, ready to lay their life for Pandavas. See, when the fear comes, enemy looks too powerful. Enemy's strength is your fear. Suddenly, Duryodhana is praising the whole Pandava army. He says, here in this army, there are many heroes wielding mighty bows and equal in military prowess to Bhima and Arjuna. He raises the Bhima and Arjuna to a level where he sets a standard based on Bhima Arjuna. He says Bhima and Arjuna are the standard, and to their level there are many heroes. Yuyudhana, Virada and Drupada. Shuraha, he uses the word Shuraha, heroes. Please understand, when the ego is mixed with the depression, it expresses as fear. When the ego does not mix with the depression, it expresses as a withdrawal feeling. If you are just depressed and your ego is not supporting it, you will feel like withdrawing. That is what Arjuna felt. When Arjuna had depression, he was withdrawing. He is not describing all the glory of the opposite army. He says very clearly, we can kill them, but what are we going to get by killing all of them? Please understand the whole attitude. Here the reason for Duryodhana's depression is the fear of failure. How can we kill all these heroes? Big fellows are there. But the Arjuna's depression, the reason for the Arjuna's depression is, why should we kill? What are we going to gain by killing all these fellows? See the big difference. Depression supported by ego, depression not supported by ego. If your ego does not support the depression, even depression leads you to the right direction. I tell you, if Arjuna did not have depression, there would have been war. Naturally, Arjuna would have won the game because Krishna is there. But Arjuna would not have become enlightened. But here, his right depression and the right decision to approach the right person. Arjuna could have gone to Dharma, Yudhishthira, when he was depressed. I tell you, if he has gone to Yudhishthira, Yudhishthira would have been convinced by Arjuna and they would have withdrawn from the war. He could have gone to Bhima.
Discover the secrets of health and wealth in one package. For the first time, a 2-day health and wealth workshop by Paramahamsa Nityananda. 100% healing for a range of ailments. Wipe out illness from body, mind, and being. Awaken your body's natural intelligence and healing powers. Overcome stress and powerfully resolve your wealth-related conflicts. Discover the secrets of creating and celebrating wealth.
Let me tell you step by step how you build the patterns. First, the memory. Morning 7 o'clock, coffee is very nice. After 1 month, it becomes samskara, engram. Morning 7 o'clock, I should have coffee. After 1 year, it becomes muscle memory. Means morning 7 o'clock, if I don't get coffee, I will feel little low mood. I will feel low, feel little irritated.
Dynamic interactive awareness sessions that reveal the secrets of a perfect health and having abundance in wealth.
I will have a headache. That is biomemory. After 6-7 years or 10 years, really one day you are caught somewhere, you are not able to get coffee and having headache, rolling on the ground. That is DNA level. Now understand how the memory becomes samskara, engram. Engram becomes pattern. Pattern becomes muscle memory. Muscle memory becomes biomemory. Biomemory becomes DNA level pattern.
Intense meditations and kriyas that holistically instill a transformed health and wealth consciousness in you. At Baroda, from March 24th to March 25th, 2012. Contact 91 851 11 25239.
Maybe Bhima would have killed Arjuna. You fool, at this moment, you are trying to torture and disturb the whole process. Better let you die. He could have gone to Nagula and Sagadeva. How they would have handled, we don't know. But fortunately, he went to right person, Krishna. Right depression, right approach, right person was approached. That is why not only Arjuna won the game of the war, he won the game of life. Sometime your individual ego costs too much in the life. I can say it can cost sometimes lives, not just one life, lives. Atra shura maheshvasa bhimarjuna samayuti yuyutano viratascha drupatascha maharataha. Duryodhana then pointed out the great Pandava warriors, such as Bhima and Arjuna, who too were students of Drona, as well as a number of other great warriors fighting for the Pandavas. If you do the psychoanalysis of Duryodhana, you can see the tremendous overflowing fear, arrogance, ego, and unable to take the responsibility, unwilling to take the responsibility, the shivering. Shivering internally and externally. He continues, Duryodhana, continues to describe the opposite army. Come on. In the verse 5, he continues, Drushtaketuschekitanaha Kashirajascha Viryavan Burujit Kundibojascha Saibhyascha Narabungavaha. Translation says, there are courageous warriors like Drushtaketu, Chekitana, the courageous Kashiraja, Purujit, Kundiboja, and Shaibya, the best of men. You need to give attention to the word Kashiraja, which proves we are an unbroken civilization for at least last 5,000 years. The Western historians are trying their best to say the Harappa Mohenjo-daro, oldest civilization, does not have any literature, and all the literature Hindu tradition has does not have a civilization. Bull. Sometimes, just because they have a power to print, power to televise, power to spread certain ideas, they go to any extreme to destroy anything. It is so unfortunate. The word Kashiraja proves very clearly. Please understand, till Kashi as, even now, Kashi as a king, his name is Kashiraja. They will have individual names that is different. The Kashiraja is the title. Now this reference proves very clearly from the Mahabharata time, the unbroken kingdom. Unbroken succession. Even the family name is same. Please understand, it is not the title just because they are kings of Kashi. It's like it has become a family name. Kashiraja. This is a reference that the Vedic civilization is unbroken from the time of Mahabharata war even now, till now. The cities, the systems, lifestyle, one of the oldest civilization. Duryodhana is totally confused here. He started off praising the strength of Pandava army. Of course, this was not genuinely because he wanted to praise them, but mainly point out to Drona, saying that you trained all these fellows, they are all now standing against you. As I said, when Arjuna became depressed, he did not say, "Oh Krishna, you created an army, finally the whole army is standing against you." Please understand, I referred so many Gita commentaries, Bhagavad Gita Bhashyas, and Mahabharata stories. Not a single commentator even remembers to bring this point to light that Krishna's army is fighting against Krishna.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.
He gave boon to, Krishna gave a boon to Duryodhana. You have my army, I'll be in Pandava's side. Arjuna never pinpoints that. Neither Arjuna is saying, nor the commentators are remembering. I am the first one to bring this to light. Understand? See, Drona trained few people. They are all standing against Drona in Pandava's side. Duryodhana is talking about this again and again. But Krishna's whole army is standing in Duryodhana's side against Krishna. Arjuna is not talking about it. Arjuna is not saying anything about it. Because his depression is not because of fear of failure. His depression is just ideological conflict. But reason for the Duryodhana's depression is totally different. The logic behind Duryodhana's depression is fear of failure. Please understand. Sometimes the reason is different for the same effect. More than the effect, the reason for the effect should be known so that we can solve the issue. More than the depression, the reason for the depression should be understood. That is why the psychoanalysts go on analyzing. Before they find the reason, patient gets cured. Actually, before a psychoanalyst doctor finds the reason, patient finds the reason. And he comes out of the problem. That is the way they cure. One good thing will happen to you by going to a psychoanalyst is you yourself will become a doctor. After a few years, you can start your own practice. Because all you need is just put a curtain, make the patient lie down in the couch and put a curtain, and he should go on be talking. You should say, yes, go ahead, I am listening, I understand. All you need is just these 5-6 words, but you should go on repeating. I heard one day a psychoanalyst, because he has to attend some more patients, recorded the voice. Yes, go ahead, I understand. Put the patient on the couch and put the screen and switched on this recording and went away to attend the other patient. So this patient was lying and went on and on and on. Suddenly after 1 hour he realized, go ahead, yes, I am listening. These words are appearing in wrong timings. So he pulled the curtain, he saw. He did not tell anything. Next time, when he came, doctor did the same. He just switched on his recorder and went away. After 1 hour, the doctor came back. He saw from the other side voice coming continuously. So he said, okay, great. My patient will not know now if I pick up. He switched off the record and started telling, yes, go ahead, I understand. After 1 hour,
Discover the power of Kundalini Awakening at Kalpataru, a unique full-day transformational program blessed personally by rare living incarnation Paramahamsa Nityananda. What is Kundalini? Kundalini is the tremendous potential energy hidden inside every individual, which can be awakened through initiation by an enlightened master. Once awakened, Kundalini has the power to transform every area of your life and bring you health, wealth, success, joyful relationships, and spiritual enlightenment. Harness the power of meditation and initiation. Experience a glimpse of Kundalini awakening at Kalpataru. Manifest your destiny. Every weekend at Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru.
suddenly the voice stopped. He could not understand. And he said, go ahead. But no voice. He removed the curtain to find a tape recorder that side. The patient also audio recorded the whole thing. The patient brought the tape recorder and left and went away. So tape recorders talking to each other is psychoanalysis. You need to understand the logic behind the law. Because many times when you don't understand the logic behind the law and execute the law, I can be 100% sure you will be just doing completely something illegal. I am the victim of something which is done legally but without the spirit of law. I can say it is not even legal, illegal. When you understand the logic behind the law, executing the law or solving any problem will be more easy. If you don't understand the logic behind the law, even if you do something legal, it will not be legal. Duryodhana is now totally confused here. But unfortunately, his depression is not like Arjuna's depression. The logic behind his depression is different. Logical understanding about depression will really help all of you to come out of it whenever you experience. You see, depression is something for which you will always have a pakka, sure, guaranteed solution as long as it comes to others.